I need to solve this equation for y, which converts it to slope-intercept form, and then I want to graph the equation. So the first thing I want to do in order to solve for y is I must get rid of everything on the same side as y. That's this negative 4x and also the 2. So in order to get rid of negative 4x, I'm going to add 4x to both sides of my equation. Now, negative 4x and positive 4x cancel each other out on the left side. So on the left side of the equation, I'm left with just 2y. And on the right side of the equation, I'm left with 4x minus 12. Now the final thing to eliminate is this 2 that's being multiplied by y, 2y. And in order to eliminate that, I have to divide both sides by 2. So I'm going to divide the left side of the equation by 2, and everything on the right side also gets divided by 2. The result is that multiply by 2 and divide by 2 cancel, and on the left I have y, and on the right 4x divided by 2 is 2x, minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now I've got my equation in slope-intercept form. The next thing I need to do is graph the equation. To graph the equation, I'm going to, let me increase the size of my graph so I can see a little bit better. Well, I'm trying to graph the equation y equals 2x minus 6. And to graph this equation, I start with the minus 6, that's the y-intercept. So I'm going to put a dot at negative 6 on my graph right here. I just put the dot right there. Now the next thing I need to do is look at the slope of the equation, which is 2, or 2 over 1, which means to find the next point, I can just go up 2 over 1. I can go up 2, 1, 2 over 1 to get the next point right there. I can go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I can do that repeatedly. Every time I go up 2 over 1, I'm creating a new point on the line. I could also go down 2, backwards 1, down 2, backwards 1, and I can do that forever. And so what I've got is a line, and I'm going to connect it. I've got a line that starts at negative 6 and goes up 2 over 1 in both directions infinitely. So the graph of my line is now shown.